Hi, you're very welcome. What I want to just work with you today on is adding a page break, or not a page break, but a section break to a document so that you can have one set of numbering in the first part and another set of numbering in the second part. For example, if you're working with reports, quite often in the first part, you might need to have Roman numerals, and then you need to have like a different document that starts again back at 1. So let's just open up this document here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to Introduction, which is down here. It's a 3-page document. And then I click beside here by this one. And then I come up here to my layout. And then I come to my breaks, which is here. And then I just go down there. See, it says next page. Okay, so I'm just going to insert next page break. So now I have 2 sections. Now you don't see anything at the moment, but what I want to do now is I'm just going to, let's say, go to insert. I might just move up to the top here. Insert over here. And let's say I'm going to insert page numbers. Okay, so just come over here to page numbers, and I'm just going to put it in the bottom of the page. I'm just going to choose this one here. Okay, so now I'm in section 1. There's my page number. See, there's section 1. And if I scroll down then, I'm now in section 2, down here. Yeah. So because in section 2, the first thing I want to do is break the connection between the two of them. So I make sure I'm in section 2. And then I come up here, see there it says same as previous. So I want to break that connection. So I come up here to my header and footer, and I click this one here that says link to previous. And that breaks that. And then I come back up here to section 1. And I'm going to change this. I might just start on the first page here. I'm going to change this to Roman numerals. So I just come over here to my page number. And then I come down here to my format page numbers. And the number format here, I choose the number format. And I just choose Roman numerals. Okay, and you see there it says continue from previous section, and that's really what I want, because I just want Roman numerals on the first one, and then I click OK. There are my Roman numerals, section 1, section 2, which is there, which is fine, looking good. And now going to the second section down here, and I just want to double click on my section 2 because I don't want it to begin at 3. I actually want it to begin at 1. So I just highlight it, and then I come back up here to my page number, and then I just go to format page numbers. And what I do is I change this here to say start at 1. Just put in 1, and then I click OK. So now my section 2, see there, I've got my section, I've got number 1 on it. Now if I close this and insert a page break, for example, I might just insert a page break down here. Let's say in the introduction, just Control and Enter to insert a page break. There's my 1, which is what I wanted. And then I scroll down again, and there's my 2. And if I insert even another page break here, say down here, Control and Enter, there's 2, and there's 3. All right. So I hope you found this useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.